Someone once said, green is the color that shows an attitude, a sort of respect that people have for every kind of things we take for granted. And not just today, from time immemorial, green is the color of life around us that we humans are so used to exploiting. The ill effects of environmental destruction which will curb human existence in the future. Patum Foundation will take you through a reality check to drive you towards environmental sustainability and our green initiatives. So what are the modern forms of environmental exploitation? Under the garb of road widening, constructing buildings, hoardings, and infrastructure, thousands of trees are chopped down every year in India. When it comes to development, instead of destroying houses or buildings by the roadside, these huge speechless trees are an easy target. Luckily, very recently, the National Green Tribunal has directed the Ministry of Environment to keep roadsides free from encroachments. Understanding the role of trees adjacent to the roads in reducing 40% of the pollution and heat, and older ones about 70%, they have decided to encourage plantation to ward off pollution. What can you do to participate in transforming the grim roadside to a tree-lined green space? Join our urban tree planting solutions by planting trees without endangering infrastructure, leaving sufficient space for them to breathe. And most importantly, say no to the felling of trees and vocalize the consequence of this action wherever you see it. Our country has earned the title of the 15th biggest plastic polluter globally. Discarded plastic bags, cans, straws, and cutlery litter the roads and rivers, clogging canals, making a breeding ground for mosquitoes, and with them, health hazards of all kinds. Looking back to 1998, Sikkim, the small northeastern state nestled up in the Himalayas, put a ban on the use of plastic. And in recent years, states like Tamil Nadu, Maharashtra, Kerala, Himachal Pradesh, Telangana, and few others have also joined the bandwagon by banning all kinds of single-use non-biodegradable plastics. But has all the plastic stuff disappeared? Absolutely no. But the usage has definitely come down, only to a point where the rules are no longer being obeyed. How do we stop plastic from piling up in huge mounds in garbage dumps across the country? You can be part of Patum Foundation's bigger picture to reach out to an entire community to help them discard single-use plastic with reusable alternatives. We also encourage people to refuse plastic packaging at the grocery stores and supermarkets. It's time to bid goodbye to our throwaway culture. We strongly believe that the best and the only way to urge people to get rid of plastic rubbish is through loud campaigns. Campaigns that will bring local business owners, students, community groups, and local residents together around a common cause. Through our social media channels, we sensitize people on the need to stem the flow of plastic pollution, and put this into action by encouraging individuals to carry reusable bottles, recycle plastic packaging, purchase second-hand items equally good as new ones, and wean the use of plastic wrap, disposable cutlery, straws, coffee cup lids that looks more convenient but does more damage. Will all of these contribute to picking up our planet from its environmental crisis? While a bigger picture points at problems like climate change, overpopulation, and loss of biodiversity, we take you through the small ways you can have a bigger impact. The good news is, we together can curb this.